In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add on-neck bearish quick and easy. We'll be doing this directly inside your TradingView chart, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the pattern, how to add it, and how to make the most out of it in your trading workflow. Start by opening up your chart in TradingView with any market or time frame you prefer. Once your chart is loaded, look towards the top of the screen for the toolbar. There, you'll see a button labeled Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools, scripts, and patterns live. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button to open the Indicators and Strategies this window. If it's your first time here, don't worry, we're only going to use one simple search feature. When the Indicators window appears, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the words on neck. Type it slowly if you need to, and make sure it's spelled correctly so TradingView can pull up the right results. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list below, showing only indicators and patterns that match your search. Among the results, you should see something labeled on neck bearish. This is the pattern we want to add to your chart. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the bearish version and not something else with a similar name. When you're sure you've found on neck bearish, move your cursor over it and click once. TradingView will immediately add this pattern to your current chart. After you've clicked it, close the indicators window and look back at your chart. The on neck bearish pattern will now be active, and TradingView will automatically highlight this specific candlestick pattern whenever it appears in your price data. If you don't see it right away, try zooming out or scrolling back in time. The pattern will only show where the conditions are actually met, so it may not appear on every section of price action. You can also open the indicator settings if you want to adjust colors, visibility, or how the labels appear on your chart. Customizing the look can make it easier to spot the pattern quickly during live analysis. Finally, if you're planning to use TradingView more seriously, check out the affiliate link in the description for a TradingView Pro subscription. It can give you more advanced features, extra indicators, and a smoother overall experience while you're working with patterns like the on neck bearish.